Hi, my name's Abby. Welcome to Quick Make on Cooking with Abby. For today's Quick Make, we're going to be making Big Mac sauce. Shall we get started? First, we're going to add some mayonnaise, some French dressing, chopped onions, white onion, some sugar, salt, vinegar, and relish. Now we're going to mix it all up. This needs to sit in the fridge overnight or at least for a couple of hours before you can eat it. Enjoy this with our hamburgers that we made on Burger Week or any sandwich that you might like. You can find the recipe at cookingwithabby.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!